Question 1. You're born with 300 bones, but by the time you become an adult, you only have A. 302. B. 306. C. 206. D. 207. Correct answer is C. 206. Question 2. What will be the color of sky if there is no atmosphere on the earth? A. Dark blue. B. Red. C. Black. D. White. Correct answer is C. Black. Question 3. The Olympic motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius. What does it mean in English? A. Faster, higher, stronger. B. Better, bigger, best. C. More, less, equal. D. Old, new, future. Correct answer is A. Faster, higher, stronger. Question 4. The point when the Earth is closest to the Sun is called A. Helios. B. Perihelion. C. Triton. D. Aphelion. The correct answer is B. Perihelion. Question 5. Which gas do humans exhale when they breathe? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Question 6. Which of the following place is known as jewel in the crown of Kashmir? A. Kashmir Valley. B. Mata Vasinao Devi Temple. C. Dal Lake. D. Shalimar Bagh. Correct answer is C. Dal Lake. Question 7. In human body, fats are stored in A. Liver. B. Epithelium. C. Adipose tissue. D. Epidermis. Correct answer is C. Adipose tissue. Question 8. Pune was once known as the capital of underscore A. Bhols. B. Holkar. C. Scindia. D. Peshwa. Correct answer is D. Peshwa. Question 9. What is measured in hertz? A. Energy. B. Frequency. C. Quantity. D. Heat. Correct answer is B. Frequency. Question 10. One who holds a post without any salary. A. Highbrow. B. Samaritan. C. Volunteer. D. Honorary. Correct answer is D. Honorary. Question 11. What is green gold? A. Tea. B. Coffee. C. Rice. D. Gold. Correct answer is A. Tea. Question 12. When the position of the Sun, Moon and Earth are aligned in a straight line, it is known as A. Syzygy. B. Opposition. C. Conjunction. D. Quadrature. Correct answer is A. Syzygy. Question 13. The highest grade and best quality coal is A. Anthracite. B. Peat. C. Bituminous. D. Lignite. Correct answer is A. Anthracite. Question 14. The drug used to get relief from pain are called A. Antibiotics. B. Antiseptics. C. Analgesics. D. Antipyretics. Correct answer is A. Analgesics. Question 15. Tears in the eyes are produced by which of the following glands? A. Lacrimal gland. B. Pituitary gland. C. Thyroid gland. D. Hypothalamus gland. Correct answer is A. Lacrimal gland. Question 16. What does the SIM in the SIM card stand for? A. Subscribers Identify Module. B. Subscribers Identify Machine. C. Self-Identify Machine. D. Identify Module. Correct answer is A. Subscriber Identity Module. Question 17. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Radiosonde. B. Voltmeter. C. Thermometer. D. Barometer. Correct answer is D. Barometer. Question 18. What is the driver of a train called? A. Pilot. B. Train driver. C. Locopilot. D. Captain. Correct answer is C. Locopilot. Question 19. What is the fear of darkness called? A. Nyctophobia. B. Ablutophobia. C. Ophidiophobia. D. Arachnophobia. Correct answer is A. Nyctophobia. Question 20. Who among the following is known as Flying Sikh of India? A. Gyani Zail Singh. B. Harbhajan Singh. C. Milkha Singh. D. Sardar Singh. Correct answer is C. Milkha Singh. Question 21. If you were a cartographer, what would you be studying? A. Maps. B. Coins. C. Postcards. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Maps. Question 22. Which organ performs blood purification in the human body? A. Heart. B. Lung. C. Kidney. D. Spleen. Correct answer is C. Kidney. Question 23. Baby of a horse is known as A. Piglet. B. Calf. C. Fawn. D. Foal. Correct answer is D. Foal. Question 24. Which planet is known as the morning star or evening star? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Mars. D. Venus. Correct answer is D. Venus. Question 25. LPG consists of mainly A. Methane, ethane, and propane. B. Methane, hexane, and propane. C. Non-methane and ethane. D. Methane, butane, and propane. Correct answer is D. Methane, butane, and propane. Question 26. What company was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports? A. Adidas. B. Puma. C. Nike. D. Red Bull. Correct answer is C. Nike. Question 27. The first computer virus was A. Creeper. B. Param. C. Brain. D. Harley. Correct answer is A. Creeper. Question 28. Full form of Bheem app. A. Best interface for money. B. Best interface for momentum. C. Bharat Immediate Form Money. D. Bharat Interface for Money. Correct answer is D. Bharat Interface for Money. Question 29. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Vincent van Gogh. B. Pablo Picasso. C. Leonardo da Vinci. D. Michelangelo. Correct answer is C. Leonardo da Vinci. Question 30. Who discovered electricity? A. William Gilbert. B. Benjamin Franklin. C. Thomas Edison. D. Nikola Tesla. Correct answer is B. Benjamin Franklin. Question 31. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? A. Wind vane. B. Thermometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Anemometer. Correct answer is D. Anemometer. Question 32. Who was the first Indian to win the Roman Magsaysay Award? A. Indira Gandhi. B. T. N. Sheshan. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Vinoba Bhave. Correct answer is D. Acharya Vinoba Bhave.